kids, look, we're underwater. And what a beautiful seashell. Come on, let's draw it. A big, round, beautiful pearl. And now the pretty seashell. And some curvy lines. Yes, keep going. And now the top half with curvy lines too. It's very simple. Now let's connect it all together. And done! Time to paint in sparkly colours. Red first. Lovely. And now some yellow. Yes. Let's add it around the pearl too. Some purple would be perfect next. Nice and neat. Purple and yellow look great together. I just love purple. It is my favourite colour. And a pop of blue. Lovely. Now for the pearl, let's use some sparkly silver. Amazing! Now some yellow again for the top half. That's it, just keep going. Along the curves. And don't forget to stay within the lines. Perfect. And now a lovely bright green to add that pop of colour. In every other section we'll add green. We're nearly done. Let's finish off with a pretty pink. Wow, look at how the pink and green go so well together. Amazing! Yay, we did great! Isn't this the most beautiful seashell? I hope you had fun. Bye-bye!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!